¿Qué más? Resulta que BlackRock, la empresa que muchos conocen como ser la dueña del mundo por la cantidad tan ridícula de activos bajo su control, controla más de 8 trillones de dólares. Bueno, trillones en inglés, para los sapos que siempre me corrigen la terminología de trillones y billones. Un trillón de dólares, a lo que me estoy refiriendo, son un millón de millones. No, sí, un millón de millones de dólares. Entonces controlan 8 millones de millones de dólares. El punto es que perdieron 24 millones de dólares con el caos de FTX. Aquí les dejo el video. Eso para una persona normal en comparación debe ser como un centavo. Pero para que vean que hasta los mejores eh, y los más grandes se ven afectados a veces por estos eventos de Black Swan. Vean el video. Este es el CEO, por cierto.
BlackRock had an investment in FTX.
$24 million in a fund of funds.
$24 million.
Yeah, it was in a it was not in the core part of our business.
Okay, so what do you think happened there? And then I want to talk about the diligence piece of it, because part of what's happening here is there's a lot of people questioning all of these fancy firms that everybody looks at, Sequoia, you, others, a lot of people invested in this company. And it appears that nobody was minding the store.
Well, I think people are minding the stores. The question is, we're going to have to wait and see how this all plays out. I mean, right now we can make all the judgment calls that it looks like there were some misbehaviors of major consequences. I assume, if you look at the Sequoias of the world, they've had unbelievable returns over a long period of time. I am sure they did the due diligence. Could they have been misled? Could they have done other things? Could we have been misled in the small little investments we did? Sure, but until we have more.
BlackRock had an investment